Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In our topic of food constant 1, four components are involved: water, carbohydrate, lipids, and protein. Molecular weight of water is 18, melting point 0 degrees C, boiling point 100 degrees C, and availability in form of gas, liquid, and solid. Abundantly present in fruits, vegetable, meat, milk, fish, poultry, egg. Less than 20% present in cereals, less than 10% in pulses and nuts, while lowest percentage of present in salt and sugar, 0.02 to 0.03%. No chemical reaction takes place without involvement of water. Therefore, water is most essential part of our life. We should drink water more than 2 liters per day. Basically, water is present in three different forms in different foods: free water, physically bound water, chemically bound water. Free water is that water which can remove without extra care during cooking process, present in fruits, vegetable, meat, fish, poultry, egg. While physically bound water which can remove but little bit care is required during cooking. Chemically bound water is that water which cannot remove. If you want to remove water, what will happen? They will denature. It chemically contain carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. Second main component of fruits and vegetable is carbohydrate after water. Main source of energy: 1 gram carbohydrate provides 16 kilojoule. Main source of fiber help in digestion, act as stabilizer, facilitate in fermentation process, and caramelize on heating. As classification of carbohydrate is divided into two main groups: simple carbohydrate and compound carbohydrate. Further, simple carbohydrate is divided into monosaccharides and disaccharides. Out of monosaccharide is simple carbohydrate that cannot be hydrolyzed. Monosaccharide contain glucose, fructose, and galactose. Glucose and fructose are naturally present in different fruits, and while galactose is not present in naturally independently in different foods, while it is present in milk sugar or lactose. Disaccharides can be hydrolyzed into monosaccharides. In general, these are white crystalline powder, soluble in water, and sweet in taste. It is divided into three groups: maltose, sucrose, and lactose. Maltose have sweetness level 32 unit, found in malt sugar prepared from barley or wheat or other cereals also possible. Sucrose developed from sugar cane, beet, as commonly used as sugar in house. Lactose is present in milk and it is called as milk sugar. Compound carbohydrate is divided into two groups: oligosaccharides and polysaccharides. Oligosaccharides formed when 3 to 7 monosaccharides combine together, basically present in legumes. Examples are trisaccharides, tetrasaccharides, and starches. Polysaccharide molecule develop when more than 7 monosaccharides combine together. When monosaccharides join together to form straight chain polymer, then it is called as amylose. And when monosaccharides join together to form branched, then it is called as amylopectin. Examples of polysaccharides are starch, cellulose, glycogen, pectin, agar, and algidate. Properties of some polysaccharides. Starch is non-crystalline, white powder, insoluble in water, can hydrolyze by either heating or by acid or enzyme. Cellulose is non-digestible by humans, serve as fiber and provide bulk to the diet. Pectin mainly present in peels of apple, citrus and guava and some in roots of some vegetables. Having gelling property can produce a gelling product like jam, jelly and marmalade. Act as a stabilizer. Stabilizer means increase water holding capacity. Agar and alginate extracted from seafoods capable of forming gels and using in many food products as gelling agent. Moreover, agar is used in making solidified media in microbiology lab. In lipids, mainly we deal with fats and oils which are soluble in organic solvents, petroleum ether, petrol, hexane. Fats and oils are insoluble in water. Main source of energy 1 gram of fat and oil provide 38 kilojoule energy. Fats are soluble at room temperature, having more saturated fatty acids, while oils are liquid at room temperature and contain unsaturated fatty acid with one or more double bonds. Fats are primarily obtained from animal fat, while oil from plant material. Some of the following definitions are directly related to fats and oils. First one is emulsion, mixing of two immiscible liquids. Water plus oil produce margarine. Mayonnaise produced by mixing egg and oil, and butter is a natural example which contain fat plus water. Smoke point when fats and oils heated above 200 degrees C. Flash point temperature at which fats and oils ignite. Density is a problem. Development of flavor in fat or fat containing foods which occur by the oxidation of fat. Density is mainly of two types, enzymatic and non-enzymatic. Non-enzymatic, also known as auto-oxidation of oil and fat. Proteins are composed of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen and nitrogen. Sometimes sulfur is also involved. Mainly, protein is used for the growth, maintenance and repair of the body tissues along with providing energy. 17 kilojoule energy can be obtained by consuming 1 gram of protein. Protein can be denatured by application of heat, acid, base, agitation, heavy metal, soap, detergent. Building blocks of proteins is called as amino acid. One of the deficiency of protein is called as kwashiorkor. Conditional characteristics by depigmentation of hair. Two types of amino acids. One is non-essential amino acid which can be synthesized by the body, and other is essential amino acid which cannot be synthesized by body but required for proper functioning.